only offer you what we've got right now. Over, and it will be over.
Feelings change. I mean, you don't even really know me.
Maybe not. But I know me.
What is it with you and all these women? One after the other. When's it gonna stop?
You say you had partners in bed, but you never made love.
I want you all to meet her.
Yes.
You say don't nobody.
No. I collect antiques.
Now, what I like so much about unprecedented and therefore utterly unpredictable.
That must be a relief. To a woman and actually have it apply to her?
What should we do with this?
Boy, do you look guilty.
Leave her alone, because it's out of whack.
This isn't right. You are
Young.
older.
Much older.
All I'm able to offer you is this. We have no future.
I know. A year or so, I'd be just this sob story you could use to bag more chicks.
Ruined.
I saved you for them.
Maybe one day we can turn and face our fears. Maybe there'll be laughter in our tears. After all, to where all can be found. Maybe one day.
Can you let me love you?
This world around.
On any street, in any home.
I am not your slave.
They are.
That is so unfair!
Kevin and they know what they want.
You virgin.
And
Where do girls go for the summer? I'll be for.
Oh, you didn't think we were going to let you go on your own, did you?
Top tunes, cool mixes, as I both all.
Banging! You alright, double bubble, lovely ladies?
Your faces.
You cheeky girl.
You in trouble again?
This is your fourth fight this semester.
you look like a loser in there.
I want to train with you. I want to be a boxer.
Without aerobics.
And I talk.
Better with your life than box.
Prove it.
I'll train my life.
I'm training to be a boxer.
Whoa, whoa. You are crazy. there is this one guy.
100% man.
It's a dangerous sport. Aren't you afraid of getting hurt?
I didn't make the cheerleading team.
Different from girls. No girl has what it takes to be a boxer. Don't embarrass me. You have lost.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry. Don't ever be sorry.
So what does it take to be great, I mean?
You know, they say love kills you in the ring.
I know.
Are you scared of me?
No.
Inside, you know yourself?
I do.
Now,
you're in the emergency room in the Philadelphia City Hospital. I'll ask you some questions. Where were you sitting on the train? In the passenger car? Yes. Sure, you were in the passenger car.
Yeah. Where are the other passengers?
Your train derailed. As the second train collided with yours after it derailed. There are two reasons why I'm looking at you like this. One, and two, fragile on you.
You're searching for meaning in all of this. One thing. 131 people died, so you were born. Are you ready for the truth?
Not really. She could have hurt me.
Yeah, took away your knife, didn't
The Mars Terraforming Project will be the greatest achievement in the history of human exploration. The future, or mankind, is history.
Ready? Big day.
We're eating dinner on Mars.
We're off target. Auto guidance systems out.
You said I could be whatever I want to be.
I never...
have a dream.
It's a demo. I'm a song.
It's great in your shower, but karaoke ended a half hour ago.
But no cash.
Opening?
Welcome to Coyote Ugly.
5 nights a week.
I said hallelujah.
Hey? Not a problem.
They call the shots.
She just cut some guy's ponytail off. What do you want?
It's 3:30 in the morning. I want what every man wants. Breakfast.
And they're always in control.
This is the boss! Make some noise! How about a big round of applause?
Coyote Ugly.
Give me a glass of water.
Do we serve water in this bar?
This is the greatest party I've ever been to!
Women have all possible dream to meet a man who truly listened to them, who really...
Let me get your cap, sir.
But no man could ever really hear them until now.
Thank you, Flo.
You're welcome, my little sweet buns.
What did you say? I'm here on women. I'm talking personal, private stuff. The stuff that nobody on earth is supposed to hear. I hear that stuff. Oh, dear God. Yo!
Hello? I'm Darcy. Why do I feel like he's checking me out?
Oh, I don't know how this happened to you or why, but you may just be the luckiest man on earth. If you know...
You go, girl. I'm gonna be the one guy on earth who knows what... do those cuckoo things they do. Paramount Pictures, an icon for...
I won't die.
The story of a man's man who's getting in touch. Oh! Side.
Dad, what are you doing?
Exfoliating?
I can't believe this is what I'll be wearing the last night I'm a virgin.
It's so hard. You're starting to sound like a nag. Oh, that's man talk for you. Don't want to listen. Fine. Help.
I'm free. Just call me anytime. I'm flirting. What's wrong with me? Oh, look at his crotch. Oh, I hope he didn't see me. Oh, I just looked at it again. Stop it.
What women... Film.
They can run faster and swim further. And as the world's largest land predator, they can smell their prey more than 5 kilometers away. So if you should ever come across one, make sure it's at SeaWorld, the Gold Coast. The polar bears are coming, December 26.
ABC, BBC, TVNZ, Walt Disney, Buena Vista, Hollywood Pictures, 20th Century Fox, in video, DVD, console games, and PC software, go to www.roadshow.co.uk.
Y'all pump my packs or pay poor tax. This extortion happens in the hood often. See, I got a problem with the dice, cause I put the title to the Benz on the line twice. I rock, cause I stay on that block. That 9M Ruger to your notch. See, the difference is I'm real. I pop clips, leave with your blood on my making it drop 6. Giuliani and Pataki can't stop this. Since 86, my old click pop grip. Blown over the jet. That ain't gangsta. You only a thug when you ride. That ain't gangsta. They done choked you for your try. That ain't gangsta. You ran all the thugs to get it back. That ain't gangsta. They done ran up.
Hunter, and we would like to welcome you to the halls of higher learning and a little class we like to call Relationships 101. Differences between men and women.
Want to go get a cup of coffee?
I don't think that you and I click. Does this feel like we're clicking?
Ryan, I was just talking about getting a cup of coffee.
What?
How you been?
Good.
Did you get Fridays off?
I got Friday nights off.
I'm sure you do.
Why would you say something like that? To sleep with her? What women need?
Love is exciting and it's thrilling.
I'm sorry you're hurting. So let's get drunk and go see some strippers. What lines work? Hey, how's it going? And which ones do not? Question, exactly how far can you bend over? If you beg me.
I just did.
When going for it, why don't you drop the cool guy act and go tell Jennifer how you really feel about it? Goes too far. So bad.
And you're the one spending all your time with a guy that you're not even interested in. Are you in love with him?
We're just friends.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
You know he's naked, right?
Yeah. I'm the one who told him to start dating. I didn't get to see him as much, but I just wanted to be with him.
Forgotten yet? No. How about now? Man, no. Jeez, you're like an elephant.
Freddie Prinze Jr.
If you're waiting for a girl to just walk over and do all the work, you got another thing coming, okay? They don't do things that way. Trust me.
Excuse me, is your name Ryan?
And girls, warning, sex changes everything.
Ladies, can I walk you to your next class?
Okay.
Are you sure? I'm a great walker. All right.
They know precisely where we are and what we can do.
Who damns my mother for bearing daughters instead of sons?
First mind is breaking.
You're a duke's son. You have duties, responsibilities.
How could I ever forget?
And each one send that to the Baron on Katie Prime.
Such a beautiful boy.
rock the house?
Her name was Lola. She was a showgirl.
It might...
Karaoke? Karaoke. What is karaoke?
The rush like you wouldn't believe, but jumping out of an airplane.
It's a way of life. The cha-cha.
It's a life.
How about you?
Are you gonna sing?
Me? I'd be way too nervous.
But for 6 complete strangers,
It's a real path to the real meaning of the real truth.
Gary to set them free.
Can you enter this little contest of ours?
No, the real big money's up in Omaha this Saturday. $5,000.
For these two, it's about love.
How old are you anyhow?
Bonding, do you know him? Why, of course I know him. He's your father. And she'll tease you.
Following your heart.
I'm gonna be the only major thing that has ever happened to you in your life.
I am not an underachiever. I'm not.
The sex was great. It was almost like being with the girl.
2, it's about living on the edge.
You don't know how to drive?
No, I don't know how to drive.
Just invite you to grab a mic.
Baby, let's cruise.
No way.
True. Maria Bello, Andre Brower, Paul Giamatti, Huey Lewis, Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow. Duets.
Cruising together. Music is played for love. Cruising is made. We're cruising together. You're gonna.
Elliot Richards need
First impression. Go over there and say hello.
but most of all, Allison.
Hi.
Hi. Do I know you?
Oh, I sure hope so. We've only been working together for the last 4 years.
I don't think I've ever seen you.
Maybe you wanted to.
Elliot has never had any of his dreams come true.
I would give anything to have that girl in my life.
Hello. Oh, very clear. I thought you were a whisper. Someplace quiet so we can talk.
Okay.
What if I told you that I have the power to give you anything and everything? Promise not to tell anyone? I'm the devil.
Yeah, right.
Processive darkness, anyway. Why don't we take a look at the contract? I, the devil, with offices in purgatory, have piddling little soul.
Is this real?
It could be. Sign it, Elliot.
Okay. I wish. And we're very, very rich and very powerful.
You got it.
Buenos días, señor. ¿Le apetece algo de comer?
¿Cómo dices? Un momento. Realmente estoy hablando español. Hola. Mucho gusto. No, gracias. Soy alérgico a los crustáceos. You turned me into a drug dealer.
You asked for rich and powerful.
But she's not going to give him a chance in hell. Bedazzled.
Nobody gets it totally right away. That's why you get 7 wishes. Besides,
My client is not a laboratory animal. Your client is cured.
Cruella. Unfortunately, temptation has a brand new face.
Sleep, puppy. What? I'm seeing powerful speaks.
From Walt Disney Pictures.
I shall wreak my vengeance on the next generation. We need 102.
Get ready for a brand new tale. For you, Disney's 102 Dalmatians.